professional electronic cigarettes manufacturer, China's Shenzhen GreenSound. It has about 20 species of patents related on electronic cigarettes. It also has laboratories to develop its own operating. This is the only one among the worldwide electronic cigarettes factories that has constructions of production facilities which produce printed circuit boards and related components. Liquid electronic cigarettes laboratory operations. Liquid electronic cigarettes directs production supply. On 8th of April 2014, liquidified electronic cigarettes has passed United States FDA safety test. Among the electronic cigarettes sold worldwide, more than 90% of electronic cigarette Atomizer holds Shenzhen GreenSound development and patent. It produces packaging design as consumer wants. Shenzhen GreenSound produces and supplies the product they developed with the package design as consumer demand. Based on many produced and patented products, this is the preparations to enter the Nasdaq market. Company with a worldwide distribution network by South Korea and Shenzhen product. We are looking for a business partner to the future vision of electronic cigarettes.